Do you have hip pain? Me too. Here's my story of hip replacement. I'd been experiencing hip pain for a little over 6 months, and I'd been trying all the things like ART, chiro, massage, dry needling. I even tried rest, to no avail and no relief. Finally, I went for an x-ray and it revealed severe osteoarthritis and bone degeneration on the right hip and moderate osteoarthritis and bone degeneration on the left. Here in Alberta, it can take years to see an orthopedic surgeon and even longer to actually get the surgery. So because my mental and physical health rely on my ability to move, I sought out private care. I researched and booked surgery at Crosspoint Clinic in Toronto, and this is because Alberta residents aren't allowed to seek private care in the province that they pay for public health care. X-rays were sent to the surgeon, doctor recommendation sent, blood work, EKG. I had a phone consult with the surgeon, and I'm booked for 2 weeks, and I will keep you updated on how it goes.